What's up, everybody? It's your boy Space Stonks, and today we're going to talk about two stonks that caught my eye. And this one I mentioned in my live stream. By the way, the live stream's awesome. Thank you guys being there with me in the live stream. So check this out. Today I want to go over this. This is called SPDR, SPDR S&P 500 ETF. I like to call it SPDR. It's so awesome. Anyway, check this out. It's been slept on. A lot of people that I know in my circles don't even know it exists. Maybe you do, I don't know. But for those that don't know about this, check this out. I'm really excited about this, and I think I'm gonna grab some. I know for some people it's a very high. It's a lot of money. It's 409 as of today. It's up. Look at this. It's up. Let's look at this. And we're gonna go over what's inside it, and we're gonna get onto a space stonk after this. So don't go anywhere for the next stonk that I'm looking at, what I'm thinking about today. So check this out. Guys, this is no joke. This year, this is up 52.71%. That's right. In the last 3 months, it's up 7.51%. This is a growing monster. So if you want to put your money somewhere where I believe, it's my opinion, and remember, this is for entertainment purposes. I am not a professional. If you like the way I get down, smash that like button and don't miss anything. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing my live streams and you know when I have a new video coming out. But check it out. Seriously, this is awesome. Let's just go over some things real quick. Look at the chart. This chart speaks volumes, people. It's no joke. It's just heads up like someone climbing Mount Everest, like Dogecoin is doing and going to continue to do, in my opinion. Look at this. It just keeps going up, up and up and away, baby. So look at this. SPY, right? SPY, okay? Tracks market cap weighted index of US large and mid cap stocks selected by the S&P community. The listed name for SPY is SPDR and S&P 500 ETF Trust, baby. It's really awesome. It has a great dividend yield, not too bad, not too shabby, of 1.47%. It's really looking good. The average volume, 102.51 million. Look at this. This is really good. So you could see what it's doing, what I'm talking about. Let's take a look. Let's crack it open and let's see what's inside this ETF, baby. Why are people going after it? Let me just read a little bit more real quick. SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust is the first ever exchange traded fund listed in the United States. It boasts a broadly diversified and category representative portfolio at a competitive price tag. However, its unit investment trust structure limits the manager's tactics to add value for shareholders, and its fee is a multiple of those charged by its closest peers. Personally speaking, I'm going to put the links below, but I really don't go by what other people say. I look at the chart, I follow my gut instincts and my intuition. My intuition and my eyeballs and my common sense tells me that this is mooning often. It's just going to keep going up, baby. It's going to keep climbing. So check this out. What is inside it? Let's crack this baby open. I'll do another sole video on Apple because I'm telling you guys, Apple is going to go over 200. I'll say conservatively $150. That's something else we'll talk about later. I'm going to load up more. So check this out. Apple Incorporated. Wow. 6.56% of this portfolio weight. Let's just run down the list. I'll throw the numbers up on the screen and you can check it out real quick. Microsoft Corporation, 5.39%. Amazon is in it, baby. You want a piece of Amazon? This ETF has it. 4.38%, everybody. Facebook Inc. Class AF, you know Facebook, of course. 2.10%. Alphabet, that is Google. 1.67%. Alphabet Inc. Class C, it's got another piece of it on the other end, the lower one, the one that's not worth as much. 1.62%. Tesla, baby. 1.58%. And Berkshire Hathaway Inc. Class B, this is Warren Buffett's, you know. So there you go, 1.39%. And Johnson & Johnson, 1.29%. JP Morgan Chase & Company is 1.21%. And this overall is something incredible. You do your due diligence on it. You make sure it's right for you before you get into anything. And I'm just saying one more time before we get into a space stonk after this. Oh boy, things are heating up. There's so many opportunities out there, guys. So many. You just got to find them and you just got to invest in what you think is right for you. And to me, this is like a no-brainer. It's just constantly going up. Look at that. Unbelievable. So let's look at what it's doing this week. At the top of the week, you can see right here is 404, and now it's already up. It's climbing. Look at that. April 8th, 6:08 p.m. It's 409.23 cents. I mean, this is really good, and it's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's one of those hidden gems, baby, that some people might not be on your radar. There's so many stonks out there. There's so many opportunities. We're going to be getting into more stuff, and let's go to the next one. Check this out. ARC Space Exploration. It went public March 30th. It climbed up. Look at this. I believe this is a really good price. ARC Space Exploration. The ticker's ARCX. Look at that. And innovation. I have a piece of it right now. I have shares at 20.55, $20.55. Am I worried if it dips under? Oh, no way, I'm not. I'll get more. So this is a load the boat moment in my opinion. ARC, I have also ARC, and it keeps growing. That's the other ETF. It had huge returns, great percentage last year, but I'm focusing in on this. This is Team Cathie Wood. This is the debut of her space ETF, and a lot of people are just passing on it. Of course, I went over this before in another video. It has Netflix in it. Why? People are saying Deere is in it. Why? I overlooked that. And there's something that I loaded up on, Holicity, another space stonk. It's not included in there yet, baby, but I'm not worried about it. I think eventually it should be, so we'll see what happens. This is going to be big. Let's just check this out real quick. Cathie Wood's ARCX Space ETF on track for one of the most successful fund launches ever. Listen to this. Cathie Wood is the CEO and Chief Investment Officer of ARC Invest, which runs 3 of the highest returning stock ETFs of the last 3 years. And I have ARC Invest. Like I said, I have a piece of that. It's been doing really well for me, and it keeps going up. It's amazing, really. So it's a really good investment at this point in time. It's really good at this point in time in 2021, baby. It was a great investment. I got into it, I believe, early. I don't have it in front of me, 2020. So check this out. ARCX collected $536 million in its first 5 trading days, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. This figure far surpasses the industry average of ETFs, collecting $100 million in 3 years. ARCX may be well on track to hit the $1 billion mark in merely a few months, baby. That's what's going on. So this is newly launched. It's really exciting. I'm feeling it. And if you're into space stonks, I think you would be feeling it too. And if you didn't get in, now's a good time. I would say load the boat if you can and you feel good about it. Like I said, you do you. I can't tell you what to do. Personally speaking, I'm gonna grab more. I'm gonna keep loading of the dips and see what happens. I also loaded up on Holicity, so I didn't sell just because I heard it's not in there. And I am, waiting patiently for big things to happen, hopefully with Holicity, which will merge and turn into Astra. That's another space stonk that, like I said, is not included in ARCX, and a lot of people are disappointed. Let's just go right here real quick. They mentioned UFO, which is a passive space themed ETF. Noted that Wood's ETF affords her more wiggle room to invest in companies that do not necessarily generate their revenues from outer space, So that's why Netflix is in there with the Deere, So I have UFO, a small position, and it's up. It's really cool because UFOs, how could you not? I love UFOs, right? So UFO, it's so awesome. So maybe I'll do a video about that in the near future. That's another space stonk. It's an ETF, and this is totally different. Like I said, this is Cathie Wood. It's a totally different ETF, and I think there's a really, really awesome moment for a lot of people here to get in something at the bottom, really. I know it's not the bottom, but you know what I mean. Retail investors tend, when something goes public like this, tend to get it a lot more when it debuts. And here it is. It's right now at this very moment, $21.09. I think it's a good purchase. My average cost, like I said, is $20.55. I'm really pumped up about it. Space Stonks, if you don't know who I am, this is Space Stonks, baby. So make sure you click subscribe and you hit that notification bell, and make sure you don't miss any of my live streams, because we have good parties. They're so fun to do, let me tell you. And you're missing out, I believe. If you like this video, you will be into it. So definitely, I'll be back soon with another video, and I'm out for now. It's your boy Space Stonks. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll be back soon. I'm out. Peace.